section at all.
What's up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie, Mel, back again on my SoFi channel to give you guys yet another video. And today is Jess's birthday. We're going on a boat ride. I never ever been on a boat ride before, so this is gonna be super fun. Libra season themes. Naomi's gonna be there too.
A few more minutes.
Oh, this is our boat?
Yes.
Yay! Okay, so this is our boat. We're about to get on. It's gonna be exciting. Hopefully nobody gets seasick.
I'm just gonna hop on.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Very weird to like walk onto the boat. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me get a good shady spot. And I got the cup holders. They know what's up. Yay. What it means when you drive the boat. She's really about to drive it.
It's small.
It's a pregnant guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so like a boat.
This is our
Yeah,
captain.
and bigger than this.
Yeah?
Oh,
I know that's right. You better drive us.
With that, remember that your boat does turn from the rear, so any movement you put in the steering wheel is just going to be a little bit delayed.
okay.
It is the same as driving your car, so right is right, left is left.
Okay.
Really all the same. Make sure you're not overcompensating for any
I'm excited.
correcting yourself. And especially when you're moving in a straight line, make sure you're not, overturning.
Okay.
You know what a bad bitch looks like. Let me zoom in on the frames because, like, yes, give us.
Or they'll get on me like,
So this is our map.
she's gonna throw her phone like Naomi Campbell.
Oh, wow.
Because my last name is Campbell too.
The fact that they're looking at us like, uh-oh, let's find the boat. Oh shit.
Girl.
This is crazy.
Fucking pour up
the bottles. Pour up the bottles. Okay.
Well, and they swear they probably gonna take the deposit. You never know how they know. I don't know.
Yes.
They probably guess you never know.
These people all know each other. They probably
Okay.
Like, oh, they smoking on
They're
your
like
phone.
Kim,
Yep.
John, Michael.
Yep,
Good morning. First name basis.
Yep. Ooh, yes, ladies. Okay, I only bought this. I only can sneak this. Oh,
I bought a whole bottle. Yes.
you didn't even check her. I should have bought my bottle. This from Mexico. It's tequila.
I'm about to go live. We love tequila.
Okay, I want to play the music.
I was like, where's the tequila?
You know how to open it? You know how to open it?
I know how to open it.
Yeah,
I did it the last time.
It's like twisted, it won't explode.
Okay,
But
okay,
if
okay.
you want it to,
Okay, no, it's your champagne, so go ahead,
if you
baby.
want
Go
it
ahead.
to
Oh, maybe I should do it.
Wait, hold on, wait.
She a pro. She's a pro now. Okay.
We gotta pour you up first.
Thank you.
It's your birthday, Yes, I feel so confident in my champagne popping skills.
Right. I'm still scared. Oh, this is so cute.
see what it is. Airbnb don't know it.
Okay.
I can't wait to see my birthday vlog. I'm excited.
Okay, I'm gonna have to come back for a second round.
This is cute. I actually like this boat. I thought it was gonna be like a lot smaller. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. It's for Shayna.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, Rose Bel Air.
I'ma slide anytime you want. Put you in Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand. 21 slip and slide.
This is the new album, huh?
You need some TLC, we can creep if you want. 21.
Oh, yes.
Turn your phone off. Take your clothes
okay.
out. I'm a savage, but I fuck her to a slow song. Turn the lights down. Lay the pipe down. I ain't Mr. Right, but I'm Mr. Right now. Straight up. She want me to fuck her to be honest.
Oh, she's not drinking yet.
I don't treat her like she my fiance.
Yeah, she's a
Make that thing sing like Sade. 1942, it ain't no Chardonnay. In a lounge truck, yeah, with my Richard on, yeah.
I like it.
Pretty girl,
Oh, yeah? I hear it was Libra too.
but it like.
Right. No, for real. Yeah.
Like this, like twisted, it won't explode.
Okay,
But
okay,
if
okay.
you want it to,
Okay, no, it's your champagne, so
Go ahead,
if
baby.
you
Go
want it
ahead.
to
Oh, maybe I should do it over.
Wait, hold on, wait.
pro now. Okay.
We gotta pour you up first.
Thank you.
Me neither.
No.
This is beautiful. But this is your backyard.
It's in their front yard or backyard. Like they have a boat right beside our house.
Right.
Marina who?
He got a yacht.
Right.
He like, let's take the yacht out today.
In his backyard.
In his backyard.
It's a little fence, like that little design.
Yes. Man, this is so nice.
Wow, I love these houses.
This is
Thank you so much, Chef.
all right, you guys, so it's the next day. I didn't get as much footage as I thought I was gonna get when we got to the actual Airbnb, and I didn't get to close out the boat with you guys because my phone had died. So, but it was nice that it died because I was able to really just enjoy myself. Like, I had such a freaking good time, and I can't wait to go back out on the boats. I would actually love to do that with my babe. So that probably won't be the last time you guys see me on, you know, a boat or whatever. But we had such a fun time, and the food was so good. Shout out to Chef Cole. I'll leave his information down below if you're looking for somebody to cook for your events, because he travels and everything, and he did such a good job. All the food was so good. I ate every single thing except for the cheesecake, just because I was tired and I was ready to go home. I had drank a lot, and I was like, you know, I want to go home so I could get in my bed. I didn't want to like share a couch or anything with anybody, so I was like, I'm going home. But tonight we're gonna, she's actually doing a brunch, probably like around this time right now. But since I don't live in that area, I'm just gonna meet her again for a dinner tonight. So yeah, I may or may not vlog that. I probably, if I end the vlog here, then I probably won't get that. So I just want to go ahead and tell you guys thank you for watching. Go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up for this video if you guys enjoyed the vlog and you guys want me to continue to vlog all of our little adventures that we do together. Then, you know, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, you guys, as always, stay cute and stay posh.